In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradervue Trade Screenshots. By the end, you'll feel confident adding clear visual context to your trade records, so your reviews are more informative and easier to learn from. First, open the trade you want to work with. Start by logging into Tradervue using your regular account. Once you're in, look for the Trades area in the main navigation. Click Trades to see your list of recorded executions and trade groupings. From there, choose the specific trade you want to review. This brings up the trade's detail page, where you can see fills, P&L, and any notes you've written. Now, let's add a screenshot to that trade. Within the trade page, find the Notes section. If you haven't added anything yet, you'll see an option labeled Add Notes. If you already have notes on this trade, you'll see Edit Notes instead. Click the one that applies, and the Notes editor will open. With the Notes box visible, drag your screenshot file from your computer directly into that Notes box. You can grab the file from your desktop or a folder and pull it over the browser window. When you're hovering over the Notes area, you'll generally see a visual cue that it's ready to accept the file. Then release your mouse to drop it in. Keep in mind, the cleaner your screenshot, the more useful it will be when you come back to study this trade later. Avoid including any personal or sensitive data in the image, and try to capture the exact chart or level you want to remember so your future self immediately gets the context. After you've placed the screenshot into the Notes box, click Save. This finalizes your changes and attaches the image to the trade's notes. Give it a moment to process, and then you'll see the screenshot displayed within the trade record. From here on out, whenever you open this trade, the image will be right there in your notes, helping you recall what you saw at the time and why you made certain decisions. That's all there is to it. Log into Tradervue, click Trades, open the trade you want to review, click Add Notes or Edit Notes, drag the screenshot into the Notes box, and click Save. Using consistent screenshots alongside your written observations can dramatically improve your post-trade analysis. It makes your journal more visual, more memorable, and ultimately more actionable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a clearer picture of your trading process with Tradervue Screenshots.